got to believe me, motherfucker. And I'm telling you, you got to believe.
I'm from where if the work was hard, you captured the boulevard. As you stuck with the big dog and you couldn't pull him apart. Somehow down a yellow brick road, thought he's a star. Just show up with that current and send your ass to ours. They told me take it easy, I literally obliged. Pussy's another gift to a motherfucker that's smart. I was celibate, still getting mail and phone cards, nudes, money orders, and moved to the whole yard. They thought I'd come back like powder from Mike Epps. Put smack on the street, leave my assistant the rest. My life is a series of nights, speaking about Mets. Them pinstripes get eerie, you nearing them court steps. You hearing the horse breath that come from the porch steps. You wouldn't see Sheed Wallace if anyone called tech. But we'll hope it ain't all that. No joking, but all that is a joke when you don't net. It's gross and I'm this close to telling you don't bet. But here's the real man, I'm Peter Pan and Hook, just with a healed hand. I would've put the hook right here, but there's still fans praying I don't retire early. So I'ma spit this in a can like Pop, but in a flyer jersey. You know they try to put red wings on our dead kings. Trappers with the birds and the birds that the bread brings. Miraculous when you hear the words, the head swing. Who you choosing? The one who tell you where to mail a bundle? Or the one who asks babe that you create that sales funnel? It's forever. Only way we breaking up is through the tunnel. The spiritual, but still got a girl who twerk out the sunroof. The miracles is what got me shunning what world has come to. Your brother died young, no longer know where to run to. A little Alice Cooper, a little sprinkle of Sun Tzu. Shorty thank me because I can rap and I don't mumble. All that hard work didn't pay off. The work is so easy now that I don't take a day off. LinkedIn selling your resume anyway for a cost. The red and white stripes are like the Epstein list lost. It's like the cameras are there only to track where the kids at. I don't mean to get them back to make sure they kidnap. At my level, man, I'm just a pimp named Slickback. But you ever see me pull up with the Van Door slip back? It ain't all rainbows if I say my chick gets strapped. Beneath the furry Kangos, a mango is intact. All the silence around me, it sounds good. That's the universe reward for a chaotic childhood. Irrevocable truths from who you spoke with as youth. Spent token at boots, sold dope with a hoop. Broken homes and boosts with all along just proof. Nigga, don't hang out on your own notes.
And you ain't got to believe me, motherfucker. But I'm telling you, you got to believe. And you ain't got to believe me, motherfucker.